Let's learn Candy Flow. It's choreographed by Victoria Nicholls. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with tags on the ends of walls 2 and 6. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the tags, and then we're going to go through and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Candy Flow. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a crossing heel grind. So you're going to take your right heel, cross it over your left, and as you cross over, you're going to put weight onto your right heel and rotate your toes from left to right and step back with your left. We're now going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left, step your right foot to the right side, and we're going to sway our hips right, left, right, left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your crossing heel grind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do chassé rock to the right and the left. So we're going to chassé to the right, step your right foot to the right side. Together with your left, step your right foot to the right side. Rock back with your left foot and recover onto your right. We're now going to chassé to the left, stepping left foot to the left side. Step your right next to your left, step your left foot to the left side. Rock back with your right and recover onto your left. So let's try that with some counts doing your chassé rock. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do syncopated points. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side. Quickly step your right next to your left, point your left toe to the left side. Quickly step your left next to your right and point your right toe to the right side. And we're going to hold. We're now going to do syncopated heels. So you're going to place your right heel forward. Quickly step your left, place your left heel forward. Quickly step your left next to your right, place your right heel forward, and clap your hands. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your points. 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do 2 8-pivot hip rolls. So we're going to step forward with our right, and as we step forward with our right, you're going to roll your hips counterclockwise from left to right, making an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing at about 10:30. We're going to do that one more time. Step with your right, roll your hips, putting your weight onto your left foot to square up to the 9 o'clock wall. We're going to end the dance by doing a jazz box hop. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the side, and then you're going to hop both feet together. Now, if you do not want to hop, you can just do a regular jazz box. You can go cross, back, side, together, and leave out that hop completely. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our clap. You're going to do your 2 8 pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Starting with your crossing heel grind. So it's heel grind, recover, rock back, recover, sway, right, left, left. Chasse to the right, rock back, recover. Chasse to the left, rock back, recover. Point, step, point, hold, heel, step, heel. Step 8 pivot, jazz box with a hop. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your crossing heel grind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's talk about the tags. Both tags are going to happen facing 6 o'clock. It will be the ends of walls 2 and 6. So both of those are 9 o'clock or side wall facing starting walls. And then you will dance the full 32 counts coming to 6 o'clock where you're going to add on your tag. I'm going to do the tag to the front so that you can see what it looks like. And then we will practice it to the back with the counts. So all you're going to do is a V step for both of the tags. We're going to step our right foot out into the right diagonal, left foot out into the left diagonal, right foot back center, left next to right. And what I suggest is when you step your left foot next to your right, slightly open your body to the left so it feels comfortable to go into that heel grind. So now let's face 6 o'clock. Let's try our V step with the counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your V step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you'll be ready to start over again. Now the dance does end facing 6 o'clock, and all I did was do a pivot to the front so that I could end facing 12 o'clock after I did my final wall. But there is no ending listed on the step sheet, so you can just end to the back, or you could turn to the front if you're somebody that likes to end facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tags into their next wall. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your heel grind. So it's heel grind, recover, rock back, recover. So it's right, left, chasse, rock back, recover, chasse, rock back, recover, point, step, point, hold, heel, step, heel, 8 pivot, jazz box, hot start over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your tag V step, out, and in, start over, heel grind, recover, rock back, recover, sway hips right, left, chasse, rock back, recover, chasse, rock back, recover, point, step, point, hold, heel, step, heel, 8 pivot, jazz box with a hop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 and 3, hold 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, do your tag V-step, 1, 2, 3, 4, start over, heel, grind, recover, rock back, recover, hips right, left, chasse, rock back, recover, chasse, rock back, recover, point, step, point, hold, heel, step, heel, 8 pivot, jazz, box, hop. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn candy flow. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Ooh, come and get your some, come and get your some.